Hello, how's everyone doing today? Welcome back to a new video. This is Real Deal Wealth with you, aka Daniel, and today I'm here to bring you a video about two hot stocks on the market that I do not want you all to miss out on. Let's go ahead and take a look at how my portfolio has been stacking up to the others in the stock market. I've been doing pretty well, I'm not gonna lie. After the whole Wall Street bet situation, I'm up 33% overall, and as you can see, I was down almost 4% at one point. But the companies that I'm buying and that I bring to you, these are excellent companies that are gonna last in the future, that are long-term holds, and that are gonna make you a lot of money in the future. So don't miss out while we're out here making money, because I'm turning not so much money into a lot of money, and it's coming quick, so don't miss out. Before we get started into the two stocks that I'm talking about today, I just want to let you know I'm not a financial advisor. I bring you what I'm doing with my money and my ideas. You go ahead and make a decision based on your own research and what you feel comfortable doing with your portfolio. As well, there's a link in the description to my Instagram. If you want to give me a follow, I do post my top 5 stocks, sometimes more, and a bonus on Sunday for you all to be looking at, and usually those stocks are doing very well, so it's something to look into. One day I may get a Patreon, but as for now, I just want to work on my YouTube and grow my following. So let's get into the first company, which is Opendoor, and then we'll also get into bio-nanogenomics later on in the video, and then we'll finish off the video just talking about my ideas about the stock market and what I predict is going to happen in the next coming weeks. All right, so here's our first article. Opendoor Technologies could provide 10x returns eventually. And who said this? No one other than Chamath himself. The multi-billionaire himself has come out and said that this would be his next 10x idea. This company is comparable to Redfin and Zillow, and I know for sure that Zillow is an over $200 per share stock, and they do big time numbers, but Opendoor isn't too far behind. They're a great company that has a nice social media presence, and they also take away the hassle of buying and selling houses when it comes to realtors, when it comes to closing fees, and when it comes to overall the time period that it takes you to sell your home or buy a home, which are all things that solve a problem in the real estate sector. And when you solve a problem and you insert your idea, this is how you make money. Evolution, when it comes to different sectors that are already established, are an excellent way to make money. And like I like to say in my videos, when they make money, we make money. So we want to follow the big money, and this is where the big money's going. And you might as well jump in while it's at a good price. It did have a nice jump today, which I was super excited about, and which did very well for my option. Alright, so the next article talks about how Opendoor Technologies had announced an upsize in pricing of its follow on public offerings of common stock. So if you saw a little bit yesterday and last week, Opendoor's stock was down. And if you're new to the stock market, public offerings do occur whenever a company wants to build some capital. And whenever they build this capital, they are able to invest it in their company to work on different things that they find pertinent. So as we can see in this article, a leading digital platform, which is Opendoor, it announced the upsize in pricing of its follow-on public offering of 28.5 million of its common stock at a price of the public share of $27. So we saw this company up in the $30 range, and this is why we saw it drop back down, because they had the share offering at $27, and what this does is it dilutes the other shares and it lowers the price of the stock. So this is actually a pretty good thing, because first of all, you can buy the company at a discount, and secondly, the company is going to grow now, because as you can see, approximately it gained $770 million from this offering, which is all money that they are going to put back in their company to be able to improve it. And this is what we like to see in some of the best companies. We saw with Fuel Cell, Nano Dimensions, and a few others, these public offerings occur, and Bionanogenomics, which we're going to talk about later. After they do their public offerings, these stocks usually skyrocket because not only do they have a great company, now they have the money to be flexible in their decisions, and they can grow and do what they need to. And this is just a great thing overall for investors. So I do recommend, whenever you see something like this, looking into it more and seeing what the implication of these public offerings are, because it could be beneficial to you in the future. All right, so the next stock we're going to be talking about, ticker symbol BNGO, Bionanogenomics. This got a new street high price target, and I'm not going to spoil it. We'll go through the article, but it's gone through a breakout period. Bngo was a penny stock not too long ago, but it has an excellent system that it uses called Sapphire. And this Sapphire, it had a launch in 2017, as we can see, and it's had steady improvement in both laser optics and photon capture components from OEMs. Okay, so it's launching an aggressive initiative to combine these improved components with new informatics workflow to support a stepwise increase in throughput from 5,000 genomes per year to 68,000. 4 modules at 17,000, and the chip cost is decreasing from 500 to 100 per genome. So this is impressive, and this is something that we like to see. So not only is the company getting itself out there, but it's also improving its technology. So DeGreeter, or however you say his name, I apologize to him, thinks that by 2026, so 3 full years into the launch of a next-gen platform offering up to 80% reduction in per genome disposable costs, the company can deliver revenue of $353.1 million. Wow. And overall, the analysts estimate that the cytogenics total addressable market could reach more than $1.5 billion. And as we can see down here, the target price went from $1.5, so $1.50, all the way to a street high of $15, everyone. This company is ready to break out even more, and I'm telling you, put your pockets on it because it's not going anywhere. And we'll take a look at the next article that's going to show us why this technology is working and what it does. So like I say, money for them means money for us. So what are we going to do? We're going to put ourselves in a good position to make money, and this is a position that I recommend strongly. So next article, largest hospital diagnostic lab in Canada pilots Bionano Sapphire, seeking to convert 30-year-old workflow based on multiple technologies into a single high-resolution assay to transform cancer diagnosis. So I really want to read through this article, so bear with me. Bionano announced today that its Sapphire system is being piloted by UHN, the laboratory medicine program in Toronto. It is the largest hospital diagnostic laboratory in Canada and one of the largest in the world, okay? Performing 25 million tests per year and serving 1,300 patients per day. This is a cancer cytogenics laboratory led by Dr. Adam Smith, and it plans on using Bionano's Sapphire system to test its ability to streamline cancer diagnostic techniques and improve detection of abnormalities and reduce complexity and cost. So a lot of big words there, but to sum it up, there is a lot of patients that come into this certain medical facility, cancer patients, and what Sapphire is doing is allowing them to identify the genome of these people who may be at risk for having cancer or do have cancer, and to pinpoint the genome into which they can fix or understand what's going on, which can lead to other innovations and better treatment, less cost, and more money for Bngo as a whole. So not only, as I say sometimes, is this a good investment because of the money, but also ethically, because you're going to feel good about your investment. You're going to be able to pat yourself on the back because you're doing something to help others. And why not? Why not make money while feeling good about what you're doing? So overall, for me, Bngo is a strong buy. I'm going to be buying more if it dips a little bit, but this one also did very well today. Both of these companies have a strong buy from me, and that's how I feel. If you disagree, it's okay. I can understand why you wouldn't want to get into some of these companies. But as for the revenue and what they're doing, I feel like they're a great buy, and I recommend it. But I'm not a financial advisor, so don't get mad at me if anything goes wrong. Alright, so let's end this video out strong, everyone. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate everyone that's been coming back. To all my subscribers, if you've made it this far, you might as well subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, come back for the next video. We're making a lot of money on this channel, and I enjoy everyone that's been a part of the growth that I'm seeing. I hope everyone has an excellent day, night, whatever it is for you whenever you're watching this video. It's been Real Deal Wealth, your boy Daniel, and I'm out. I'll see you in the next video.